Hi, today I will show you what's inside the Razer Kraken Kitty V2 USB gaming headphones. This will help you if you want to change the AirPod cushions or if you want to find the USB cable color wiring diagram. To remove the AirPods, simply grab the edge of the pod and pull it off. That's how it is attached to the headphone housing. Then using a Phillips screwdriver unscrew all 5 screws. Carefully open the air cap so you don't tear the wires. Here is the main board with all the wires. As you can see, the USB cable wiring does not include a black wire for the minus. The plus 5 volts wire is red, data minus is the white wire, data plus is the green wire. The negative wire is yellow, and the shield wire is the F ground contact. I hope this short video answers your questions about what's inside the Razer Kraken headphones. Have a nice day.